You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name in German and also how it's usually pronounced in English. If you want to learn more German names pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. Voigt is the German pronunciation. How to pronounce Voigt. In English, it's either pronounced Voigt or Voigt. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.